We're here at Wood Wharf in Canary Wharf. We believe this is the highest that flowing screeders have been pumped and poured in the UK.
It's a 38,000 metre project, 53 stories high, and we are pumping to the heights of 177 metres.
So Gypsol is a calcium sulphate based flowing screed chosen for this project because of its pumpability. The key aspect installing at that height is that Gypsol flowing screed doesn't segregate. When you're pumping that high, it's important that the mix has that consistent flow in that allows the guys on site to easily lay it.
We carried out several different types of testing for the products on this project and found out the TS15 worked the best for it.
We chose TS15 because of its flowability. Where you use sand cement, you wouldn't have got the tolerances, you wouldn't have got the drying times, and you wouldn't have got the product up as high. So that's why we went with the TS15 product. There's 36,500 metres of TS15 flow screed, 1,400 square metres of sand cement screed. On top of that, installing modular click systems and then Milliken carpet tiles throughout the corridors.
Because of our existing relationship with Canary Wharf contractors, we got involved at a very early stage and we were able to speak with them and also the architects on site to get Superflow TS15 specified for the whole project.
LKAB are our binder supplier. Their binder is combined with sand and water to produce our Superflow product.
We also have really good relationships with the screeding contracts as well, who are Loughton contracts.
We'll arrive on site, the boys will carry out all the necessary health and safety checks on the pump and the hose lines. We will then call up Cemex with the first load. That will then arrive, we'll carry out a flow test, we then start pumping and start laying the floors.
So Loughton's tend to pour once a week. We supply from our Dagenham plant, about 4 to 5 lorries each pour, around 35 cubic metres. So there's been a great collaboration between Cemex, LKAB and Loughton. LKAB supply the binder material, we mix it, Loughton's then lay it to produce the floor that they've got.
TS15 product that was used means thin screed 15mm, not only saving on the carbon reduction but also on floor to ceiling height as well. Also productivity, you can pour up to 2,000 metres squared in a day, and obviously what that results in is speed up of time and cost on a project.
Speed and efficiency of using TS15 has enabled us to screed up to 3 floors every week to keep up with programme needs.
Which is invaluable when projects are sometimes behind schedule and screed's one of the last things to go in. Gypsol can come in and kind of save the day by clawing back some of that time and money. Gypsol Complete Binder has massive carbon savings, so if you were to compare it to traditional sand and cement, it can save up to 88% embodied carbon, and the binder itself is made from 98% recycled byproduct. We're really proud to have worked closely with Cemex and Loughton's on this project, and also Canary Wharf main contractors. It's been a fantastic project to be involved in, and we can't wait for more projects throughout the UK and within Canary Wharf where Gypsol is going to dominate the skyline.